At 4, Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine is the first to receive full FDA approval in the U.S.
President Biden is urging those who hesitated getting the vaccine to go get the shot.
Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now. The vaccination is free, it's easy, it's safe, and it's effective. So please, get your shot today. There is no time to waste.
And this is a big deal. The full approval gives hope to those on the front lines trying to get more Oregonians vaccinated.
Our Pat Doris checked in with different parts of the state to see what leaders have to say.
In the Columbia Gorge, the federally recognized nonprofit medical group called One Community Health played a leading role in vaccinating many who live around Hood River and the Dalles. They took part in this federal vaccine effort last June, but roughly 6,300 of their 21,000 patients are still not protected. They know there's a lot of false information still out there with the COVID vaccines, so they are moving fast now after the full FDA approval of Pfizer. So are you folks pushing out a bunch of information today about the FDA?
We will be, yes. We're going to probably text message all of our unvaccinated patients, letting them know that it's been fully approved, and hopefully we'll get some more individuals signed up for the vaccine.
In Woodburn, the Salud Clinic is another federally recognized healthcare provider on the front lines. Dr. Antonio German said FDA approval will open minds and sway some who were undecided about whether to trust the vaccine.
We see a lot of patients that come in that have these questions. And so I think this will give for my providers and for myself and that one-on-one interaction with patients to say, hey, look, the science is there. And now we can really say that today with that full authorization in the FDA and lend support for that.
And to the south, in the Medford area where vaccination rates are low and infection numbers are high, Dr. Dan Weiner said things are so bad there is already a slight uptick in the number of people getting COVID shots. But the issue is now so political, some need an excuse to break away from their friends.
And I think people are looking for their healthcare professional that they trust to give them some excuse, if you will, to say, well, my doctor said I really needed to because X or Y. And it feels like that's having an impact. That's giving them some kind of leverage that they can have within their families.
He thinks federal approval will help even more people with that leverage. But he also worries there will be others who cannot get the shot no matter what.
I have patients who are really quite torn. They would very much like to get vaccinated. They're scared not to. And yet the stigma associated with it in their social circles is so great that they are unable. I have 18, 19, 20-year-old kids who want to get vaccinated but can't because their parents are so staunchly opposed to it.
There's a huge surge in COVID cases across Oregon right now. FDA approval and a lot of people getting vaccinated won't be able to change that. But it may stop the next wave. It may also save your life. In Northeast Portland, Pat Doris, KGW News.